On the 11th day of Christmas, you should give to me 11 how-to videos, 10 Christmas puns, 9 screaming bangles, 8 games of playing, 7 short sketches, 6 games of playing, 5 shopping hauls, 4 DIYs, 3 beauty gurus, 2 YouTube families, and a split pan Christmas tag. That's also happened.
Christmas Eve tomorrow.
I thought it was Christmas Eve today.
It's the 11th today, isn't it? We're putting the 12th on Christmas.
I thought so.
Oh, it's Christmas Eve!
Hey guys,
It's April.
I'm Mary.
And together, split personality.
And today we're going to make a microwave cake in a mug.
So you need a mug.
We should probably get the ingredients out first.
Flour.
First step to this glorious cake in the microwave is flour. I don't know how much flour, but we'll do
You do
1 heaped teaspoon.
Hope for the best.
Measurements. Ooh. Let's put the sugar inside. Measurements.
There we go, sure it's fine. You got oil?
Oil.
Can you see it?
Can you see it?
Well, how much do we need, Mary?
Put a tablespoon, but don't put too much, because otherwise it'll taste like poopies.
There we go.
Poopies in the cup. We need an egg, I think. Watch this, right?
Right, you can do it.
Are you ready? I can do it with one hand.
Really?
Yeah, you ready?
I'm scared.
Ready? Wait. Oh shit, I think I just got egg in the mix,
You
but
should.
Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. 1 tablespoon of milk with a lovely bit of poo on the end.
Do you want me to take it down a bit?
Nope.
There we go.
Because I'm tall enough.
So you want to mix it into a nice smooth consistency or whenever you're really bored.
Because that's what people
Are
do.
you sure this is right?
Maybe. I feel like we're kind of making like...
Soup.
No.
Parsnip soup.
I wasn't going for that one.
Soup is what it looks like.
Um,
Or earwax. That's gone running.
that's the one.
So if your cake looks like
Cake.
funny earwax at the moment,
That means it's
right.
going right. Oh, put it
in and then
That's what he
stand very
said.
far back.
That's what he said. Oh, whoa. How many? 2 minutes on the timer. And that is how long you need it in for.
You can't do the milk, that's too much though. You'll
Because
pull a muscle.
oh, it is extraneous exercise.
It is.
Oh, it's done. I'm really scared.
Mary.
Oh crap.
It looks like egg. It looks like full on egg.
Is it meant to look like that?
Who knows? Smells like manky feet, so if yours smells like that, you've done it right.
Yeah.
Right. Bit chewy. It's alright.
Just tastes like a nice egg breakfast.
Hashtag this cake is like a sponge.
That's why it's called a Victoria sponge.
No, but it's not meant to be this spongy.
That actually looks like those rubbish, like, yellow kitchen sponges you get. Do you reckon we will die from this? Probably.
I would hope not.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you make it, and I hope you don't die, and I hope we've made your Christmas a better Christmas.
Yay, make this for your friends, your family.
It's very
Dog.
hot. It's very hot. Don't give it to your dog because it might have a poo.
It might actually die, so yeah.
I would not advise that.
Alright.
Have a nice time, and we'll see you tomorrow. Christmas Day. Christmas Day. Christmas Day. Oh my God.
Bye.
Bye.